We have to multiply 3 by 4 x square plus 3y square into 4 x square minus 2 by 3y square. So first we will multiply 4 with this bracket. It is 4x square minus 2 by 3y square, which becomes 4x square minus 8 by 3y square. Now 3x square, this bracket, 3 by 4x square plus 3y square into this bracket, 4x square minus 8 by 3y square. So first we multiply this term with this bracket, then this term with this whole bracket. Now this term is 3 by 4x square into 4x square minus 8 by 3y square plus, this is the second term, 3y square into 4x square minus 8 by 3y square. So now the first bracket becomes, after multiplication, it is 3 by 4x square into 4x square minus 3 by 4x square into 8 by 3y square plus, this term is 3y square 4x square into 4x square minus 3y square into 8 by 3y square. So finally this 4 is cancelled with this 4. It is 3 by 4x square. 4 is cancelled with this 8, and here in the second bracket 3y square into 4x square minus 3y square into 8 by 3y square. This 3 will be cancelled with this 3. So this is final. It is 3x square. After cancellation it becomes 3x to the power 4 minus 2x square y square plus 12x square y square minus 8y to the power 4. After cancellation we have got these terms. So now we will adjust them. It is 3x to the power 4 plus 10x square y square after subtraction. From 12x square y square we will subtract 2x square y square. It will become 10x square y square and minus 8y to the power 4. This is the answer.